Makarska, a captivating coastal town nestled along the Dalmatian coastline of Croatia, is a true Mediterranean gem that beckons with its stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and rich history. Surrounded by the magnificent Biokovo Mountain Range and the azure waters of the Adriatic Sea, Makarska offers a plethora of experiences that enchant visitors and immerse them in its unique blend of natural beauty and cultural charm. Makarska's coastal allure is undeniable, with its beautiful beaches being a major draw for visitors. The town's iconic Pebble Beach, stretching along the waterfront, provides a perfect setting for sunbathing, swimming, and water sports. The crystal-clear waters invite snorkeling and diving enthusiasts to explore vibrant underwater landscapes teeming with marine life. The nearby peninsula of Sveti Petar offers panoramic views of the coastline and a serene escape from the bustling town. The town's historical significance is reflected in its landmarks and architecture. The Franciscan monastery, with its Baroque church and renowned malacological museum, houses an impressive collection of seashells and marine specimens. The Makarska Old Town is a charming maze of narrow streets, stone houses, and squares, featuring the St. Mark's Cathedral and the main square adorned with cafes and local shops. Cultural experiences in Makarska are enriched by its festivals and events. The Makarska Cultural Summer, held during the summer months, fills the town with music concerts, theater performances, and traditional Dalmatian folklore shows that celebrate the region's heritage. The Fisherman's Night, an annual event, brings the waterfront to life with live music, seafood stalls, and a festive atmosphere. Makarska's vibrant nightlife adds to its allure. The town's beach clubs, bars, and open-air venues offer lively entertainment, creating a dynamic atmosphere where visitors can dance, enjoy live music, and socialize with locals and fellow travelers alike. Culinary experiences in Makarska highlight Dalmatian flavors and fresh seafood. The town's restaurants, taverns, and seafood eateries serve dishes like grilled fish, octopus salad, and local wines that celebrate the bounty of the Adriatic Sea. The Makarska Fisherman's Night showcases traditional coastal cuisine and culinary traditions. For those seeking outdoor activities, the Biokovo Nature Park offers a range of hiking and trekking trails that lead to panoramic viewpoints and pristine landscapes. The park's botanical garden introduces visitors to the diverse flora of the region. Makarska is a town that seamlessly blends coastal beauty, history, and vibrant energy. Whether you're basking on its stunning beaches, exploring its charming streets, indulging in its culinary delights, or experiencing its lively nightlife, Makarska promises an enriching and unforgettable journey that captures the essence of Dalmatian culture, Mediterranean charm, and the serenity of the Adriatic coastline.